Hi, I'm Alex with a quick look at how to create your own template in Gridly. I'll click the Templates menu. I can start from scratch, but it's quicker and more accurate to use a PDF of my layout as a background to build the template. Click Create New Template and browse to a PDF of your layout. Multi-page PDFs are fine. I'll give the template a name and, if I want, a description for other team members, and click Save. Now I see my PDF to guide me in adding all the editable parts of my template. The colored backgrounds and the logo won't be editable, so my template will get them from the background PDF. The parts that will be editable are the images and all the text. I'll start by adding image blocks. I'll drag an image block onto my layout. Now I can drag it out to the right size and zoom in to be more precise. You can be totally precise by typing in exact numbers. You could get those from your original layout file in InDesign if you want, but this one's easy to do by eye. Now we'll add text. I can add text areas as plain text where my template locks the look down completely, which is good for the title. I'll make it fit and give this block a name. Now I'll set the text styles for the title. First, the font. Now the font size, the leading, and the color. Now I'll add the subtitle. And now the date block. I'll select them all with the Control key and left align them neatly. The main story needs to use a rich text block so that document editors can create subheads or lists wherever they want. Now we'll add the styles for the rich text. The default style sheet will have all the formatting for the main story. First, we'll set the heading. We'll pick a font, set the size, set the leading, and the color. Now we'll save that heading style. We'll do the same thing for subhead and then paragraph text. Now we'll add another rich text block for the sidebar. That will have its own style sheet because the text styles are different than the main story. I can change the layering order of my blocks if I want. In this case, I'll order them from the top blocks on down to the bottom to make it easier to fill out when you create a document. Now I can publish my template so that I can test it by creating a document with it. Click the Documents tab. On my Documents page, I can scroll down to my template and create a document with it. I'll give it a name, and then I can fill in images and text so that I can preview the document. Now I'll save and preview. In my preview, I can see my draft content on top of my PDF background. This is a great way to see how closely they match. I can then go back to my template to adjust any spacing and styles if I have to. Now I can replace the PDF background in my template with a stripped down one, leaving just the background elements. Acrobat lets me use the Touch Up Object tool to delete the text and the images, which will be added in by Gridley. Now I'll click the Properties link on my template page and upload the stripped PDF as my new base art. Let's publish the revised template so that documents can use it. Now I can go back to the document I made with my template and try it with a clean background. My perfectly branded template is ready for me or my team to use to create any number of consistent documents.